Ruth Hall. Go ahead.
Yes, it's Eric Previn, the county resident from District 3, and I wanted to bring to the board's attention that the lawsuit between the ACLU, Previn, and the Board of Supervisors regarding those legal billings has been now adjudicated, and the judge has found in our favor and encouraged the Board of Supervisors to provide those legal billings. And there's been some resistance to the idea of disclosing Richard Droyan's contract and the Joe Brand and Joe McGrath contracts. Those are board consultants. I wanted to implore this board to do the right thing here and comply with the California Public Record Act and actually provide all of these documents. Supervisor Kanabe today, in his evaluation of this Blue Ribbon Commission on Child Protection, has asked that we find someone like Droyan. Well, now Droyan is an interesting character. He's a good man, obviously, and a lawyer who's actually worked in child protection previous to his help on the CCJV. But this is a guy working at Munger Tolles. That's a law firm that works for the county. And his work was identified as an implementation monitor over the recommendation. So he was supposed to just be a technical analyst. But when we asked to see his deal, the response was, he's our lawyer, so we're not going to show it to you. Well, if he's our lawyer, and we're not going to show it to you, or he's a technical, it's one or the other. But hiding in that cloak of attorney-client privilege is not helpful to the public's feeling that there's transparency and openness regarding the reforms for our county jails. And it applies directly, frankly, to our county children's services. And Supervisor Molina, a week or two ago, you impugned my motives for seeking public records on a regular basis, which I do from time to time, in the interest of exposing how our leaders are conducting themselves. And I would ask you, boy, you are awfully busy in a little meeting right now during this, aren't you? Mr. Fujioka, got to laugh on that. Anyway, I would really ask that the board disclose, comply. I think it's appropriate. I think the public is ready for this board to change its views on these things and to bring forward and into the light exactly what's happening so that we can fix the problems. And it's that spirit that I say, please revise whatever we're doing today and bring it back next week with clarity on one piece of paper so people can evaluate it and think clearly.
Thank you.
I'm concerned that...
Thank you. Next.
Okay, thank you.